Okay, so I just made a trap. So here's how it goes. I got the my cord thing, and then hold up, gotta move. And then it made two holes right here. It ties up into there, and then can't move. And oh my goodness. Okay, and then it goes, and that's the bait. All right, so the cat's in it. Getting ready to pull the string. 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay. So here it is. All right. And here's proof. I don't know why you wouldn't believe me, but here's proof. And there's a cat. And that's the bait. All right. Oh yeah, and here's my other cat, but I think he's a little too big. Let me show you how I did it. Okay, so here is the leftovers, and then let me show you what I cut. Alright, so I cut off these full way, and then, and you can do this, I think you can do this with any box. I bended this, bended it right there. That's a cord. I'll show you. Comes out there, and then goes out right there, and then just take it, and then just gotta move.
If you notice it, do something about it.
Come on. Sorry. Okay, and then you just hold up my cat's in the way. Cat. Alright. So you just flip it over. Put the bait inside. Put it all the way back. Try to make it as even as possible. And then you wait. Wait until the cat goes in there. And then, come on. Don't make. I think it's just gonna sit down. I'll try to get it in there. Alright. Get in. Get in. Alright, it's in. 3, 2, 1. Boom! And I got it. There's a little hole right there. You can't see the cat. Alright, let me. And then it should. There's the cat. There's my other cat. Alright, that's it.